Major General Sabiiti, Muzeyi airlifted to Kampala after serious crash. Major Sabiiti Muzeyi, the Deputy Chief Executive Officer of the National Enterprise Corporation, that's NEC, was on Saturday airlifted to Kampala after being involved in a serious road accident along the Mbarara-Kampala highway in Luengo district. The incident occurred as the senior army officer and his wife were returning from a marriage ceremony in Mbarara. According to witnesses, Major General Sabiiti's official vehicle collided with a car transporting cattle, leaving it mangled beyond recognition. Emergency teams were quickly dispatched to the crash site, and a military helicopter evacuated the couple to Kampala for urgent medical attention. Security sources confirmed that while both Major General Sabiiti and his wife sustained injuries, their condition has since stabilized. The general is stable and responding well to treatment, one security source said, on condition of anonymity, adding that doctors continue to monitor his recovery closely. No official statement has yet been issued by either the UPDF or Uganda Police Force regarding the accident or its cause. Emergency response underscored by airlift. The decision to airlift Major General Sabiiti underscored both the severity of the crash and its prominence within Uganda's security apparatus. UPDF helicopter rarely deployed for road accidents unless the solution is the only one left in situation that is deemed critical. Medical personnel at the scene provided first aid before transferring the injured to Kampala, where more specialized facilities were prepared to receive them. Career profile of a senior security officer. Major General Sabiiti Muzeyi is widely regarded as one of Uganda's most experienced and disciplined security officers. A graduate of the prestigious National Defense College in Kenya, he has held several high-profile command positions in the country's security architecture. Between 2018 and 2020, he served as the Deputy Inspector General of Police, that is DIGP, where he led efforts to improve professionalism and coordination within the Uganda Police Force. Before that appointment, Sabiiti was second in command of the Special Forces Command, that is SFC, which handles presidential protection and other sensitive operations. He also previously commanded the military police, a key arm of the UPDF responsible for discipline within the force. Following his redeployment to the UPDF in 2020, Major General Sabiiti took on strategic assignments in leadership development and military training. He currently serves as the Deputy CEO of the NEC, the commercial wing of the Army tasked with managing projects and investments on behalf of the UPDF. What about the public reaction and next steps? News of the crash quickly spread across social media, prompting an outpouring of prayers and good wishes from the public, including the opposition. Analysts noted that the incident highlights the continuing dangers of Uganda's major highways and the need for stronger road safety enforcement, even for higher-ranking officials. Investigators are yet to determine the exact cause of the crash, though preliminary information suggests the collision with the cattle vehicle occurred unexpectedly. More details are expected once the UPDF and police issue an official statement. Thank you.